Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about bookkeeping tasks you should complete weekly. Let's get into the video. Effective bookkeeping is essential for any business, regardless of its size. Regularly maintaining your financial record ensures that you have accurate data to make informed decisions. Stay compliant with tax regulations and track your progress towards your financial goals. By dedicating time each week to bookkeeping, you can avoid last-minute scrambles, costly errors, and unnecessary stress. Here is a detail on the bookkeeping tasks you should complete weekly to keep your business on track. The first task is reconcile bank and credit card transactions. Bank and credit card reconciliation is one of the most crucial weekly bookkeeping tasks. This process ensures that the transactions in your accounting software align with your bank statements. Why is it important? Reconciling your accounts help identify errors, detect unauthorized charges, and ensure your financial data is accurate. How to do it? Compare your accounting software records with your bank and credit card statements. Match each transaction to ensure all deposits and payments are recorded correctly. Investigate and resolve discrepancies immediately. The second thing is record all income and expenses. Accurate recording of income and expenses ensures your financial records reflect the true state of your business. Why is it important? Regular updating these records prevents errors and ensures you are prepared for tax season. It also helps you understand your cash flow. How to do it? Log all income, including sales and other revenue streams. Categorize expenses properly. Example: office supplies, rents, utilities, to make reporting easier. Save receipts and invoices digitally for future references. The third thing is issue and follow up on invoices. Invoicing clients and following up on unpaid invoices is critical for maintaining cash flow. Why is it important? Delayed payment can hinder your ability to pay bills and invest in growth. Consistent invoicing ensures a steady cash flow. How to do it? Create and send invoices promptly for all completed work. Follow up on overdue payments with friendly reminders. Consider implementing automated invoicing software to streamline the process. The fourth thing is review accounts payable. Staying on top of your account payable helps you manage outgoing cash and maintain good relationships with vendors. Why is it important? Paying bills on time, avoid late fees, maintains your credit worthiness, and keeps suppliers happy. How to do it? Review upcoming payment due dates. Schedule payments to ensure they are made on time. Negotiate payment terms with vendors if necessary to improve cash flow. The next thing is monitor cash flow. Cash flow is the lifeblood of your business. Monitoring it weekly ensures you have enough funds to cover expenses and seize opportunities. Why is it important? Tracking cash flow helps you identify trends, plan for lean periods, and avoid financial surprises. How to do it? Compare cash inflows and outflows for the week. Update your cash flow forecast based on current data. Identify and address any cash flow gaps early. The next thing is to update payroll records. If you have employees or contractors, updating payroll records weekly ensures accurate and timely payments. Why is it important? Accurate payroll records prevent errors that could lead to employee dissatisfac- dissatisfaction or legal issues. How to do it? Record hours worked for hourly employees. Review any changes to salary, bonuses, or deductions. Set aside funds for taxes and benefits. The seventh thing is track and manage reports. Organized receipts is essential for accurate expense tracking and tax preparation. Why is it important? Digital copies of receipts provides proof of expenses and simplify tax filing. How to do it? Scan and upload receipts to your accounting software or cloud-based storage system. Categorize receipts by type, example, meals, travel, office supplies. Discard physical copies if you have reliable digital backups. The eighth thing is generate and review financial reports. Weekly financial reports give you a snapshot of your business performance and help you make data-driven decisions. Why is it important? Regularly reviewing reports allow you to identify trends, spot potential issues, and adjust your strategy. How to do it? Generate a profit and loss statement to track income and expenses. Review your balance sheet to understand your assets, liabilities, and equity. Analyze key metrics like gross margin and net profit. The next thing is to back up your financial data. Data loss can be devastating, especially if you rely on digital bookkeeping systems. Weekly backup ensure your data is secure. Why is it important? Backing up your financial records protects you against data breaches, software crashes, and other unexpected issues. How to do it? Save data to a secure external hard drive or cloud storage. Use automated backup system for convenience. Test your backups periodically to ensure they are functional. The next thing is to plan for upcoming financial needs. Proactive planning helps you stay ahead of upcoming expenses and prepare for financial obligations. Why it's important? Weekly planning allows you to allocate resources effectively and avoid financial stress. How to do it? Review incoming bills, taxes, and payroll obligations. Allocate funds for upcoming investments or large purchases. Adjust your budget based on current financial trends. The next thing is maintain compliance records. Depending on your business type, you may have specific compliance requirements, such as sales tax filings or industry-specific regulations. Why is it important? Staying compliant avoids penalties, fines, and legal issues. How to do it? Review state and federal compliance deadlines. Ensure all requirement documents is up to date. Seek professional guidance if needed to navigate complex regulations. The next thing is review your budget. A weekly review of your budget helps you stay on track with your financial goals. Why is it important? Regularly comparing actual spending to your budget highlights areas where adjustments are needed. How to do it? Compare weekly spending to your planned budget. Identify overspending or underspending in specific categories. Adjust your budget as needed to reflect changing priorities. In conclusion, I would say that weekly bookkeeping tasks are the foundation of strong financial management. By dedicating a small amount of time each week to these activities, you can keep your finances organized, make informed decisions, and avoid costly errors. Whether you manage your bookkeeping yourself or work with a professional, consistency is key to maintaining the financial health of your business. Adopting these habits will not only save you time and stress, but also set you up for long-term success. Thanks for watching this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.